1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right. Fractions and mixed numbers on a number line. A number line is made up of a series of points. The points on a number line represent numbers. On this number line, whole numbers are labeled 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, there are many numbers with the arrows that are unlabeled. Many of the unlabeled points on the number line can be named with fractions and mixed numbers. A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction together, like 1.5, for example. To identify a fraction or mixed number on a number line, we need to count the divisions between the whole numbers on the number line, like right here, for instance. We can see that the distance of every two whole numbers is between and divided by two sectors, 1, 2, 1, 2. But we don't count these lines, we count the spaces. So we can see that it's divided into thirds. So I'm going to show you a point on a number line is named by the distance from 0 to the location marked by the arrow here or wherever. So for this one, we could put a line here and a line here and a line here, and see that would need to be divided into fourths. So this would be 1/4. Or if we put the line here and here, that would be 1/3. But that would be 1 1/3. This would just be 1/4. This one would be, actually, I messed that one up. This one would be, pretend this one isn't here, there, and there, pretend that one isn't there too. That would be 3/4, 2 3/4. And this one would also be 3 1/3, okay? Steps to finding a fraction on a number line. Step 1, find the whole number distance from 0. So I'm going to start with B as the example. So that is 3 is the whole number that it's after, but before 4, so it's still in 3. Step 2, count the number of sections between the whole numbers. This is the denominator of the fraction. So 1, 2, there's 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the denominator. And then count the number of sections past the whole number to the point being named. This is the numerator. So it's on section 2, so that's 1, 2. So it's 3 2/3. And you can do the same with A. It's 1 is the whole number. It's divided into thirds, and we're on the first third. So 1 1/3 is A. So example 1, name the fraction or mixed number marked by each arrow. All right, so how many sections are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1/4. And then this one, after the whole number 1, and it's fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and that's at the third section. And this one is after the whole number 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So that's the denominator, and it's on section 4. This one is 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/5. Okay? Example 2. Ray walked 2/3 of a mile. D walked 3/4 of a mile. Who walked further? I divided my number line, this is the mile, into thirds and fourths, and you can see that Ray walked 2/3 and D walked 3/4. So 3/4 is large, 2/3 is less than 3/4. Lesson practice. Name the points marked on the number line, A, B, C, and D. E through F. Mark those ones. Have a great day.